is the preparations for the upcoming events. This is the fairy biker.
Oh, sorry, mate. There you go.
Working.
Oh, sorry, mate. But then quickly behind the back. Oh, sorry, mate. But, right. I think we're good.
Fuck off! Seriously.
Victim number 1. Let's see if he doesn't take the fucking head off or something.
What the fuck?
Sorry, mate.
What the fuck are you doing?
It's a prank, mate. It's a prank. Look, camera. Camera. It's a prank, mate.
Alright.
Sorry about that. Have a good day, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, Gav. Gav. You alright?
Some action with that.
You alright, Gav? You alright? How's your day?
Cheeky girls. These cheeky girls gave me this earlier, so I'm going to give them this. Oh, sorry, love. Sorry, love.
Really?
Sorry. I've got terrible high pollen today.
Smell nice.
Just fucking showered as well.
Smell nice. I lick you. I lick you.
Mr. Balloon Man hasn't seen me yet. Let's make our presence known. Oh, sorry, mate.
Hey, what are you doing? Get out of it.
Fuck it! Oh, you fucking retarded, both of you! Fucking...
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, fuck you. The fuck? Trying to take a shit. What?